Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove to or rather, how to switch off sensitivity content on Twitter. Now, all we need to do once we're on our Twitter accounts is to actually head on over to our settings, which should be over here on Settings and Privacy. I want you to look for the Safety section and toggle About in Next to mark Media. Okay, so basically we head on over and search for Privacy and Safety over here. So basically, once you're over here onto your privacy and safety settings, you have actually the option to head on over to your tweets or actually head on over here onto content you see. Or you could also click on. So basically you could actually click over here on your tweets and you could actually enable the marked media you tweet as containing material that may be sensitive. Well, by doing this, you could actually do, guys, is to log in onto your Twitter accounts through Safari, and it's going to give you the option over there. All you need to do, guys, is to log in onto the web version of Twitter. And if you're doing it on Safari or either on your PCs, Macs, or laptops, you can hit an over there, and they want you guys to tap on the settings icon and preferably your profile icon. First, select Settings and Privacy. Go to your Privacy, and Safety from the drop-down menu. And I want you to look for the Safety section, and I want you to toggle the button Next to mark Media. You tweet as containing may be sensitive. So basically, it's the same as this one over here. But if you do it on the PC version, you are going to be able to turn off the sensitivity content on Twitter. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the